Yo, what's up, y'all? This is a lazy tutorial, and for me, they updated Procreate to this Procreate 5. It did a lot. I think it made a lot of extra new tools and stuff that I had to have no clue about. But it looked like they took away one of my favorite tools to help me do things the lazy way, which is the fast way to color in things. And if you also a person that used the Recolor tool, I know you've been kind of lost for the last couple of days with this app. Actually, after searching and searching videos, I ran into somebody's video that said they showed you how to do the Recolor tool with Procreate 5. I think there's a little bit faster way of doing so, and that's the purpose of this video. So I'm going to show you guys the new way to do to use the Recolor tool. Okay, we have my design that I worked on like the last 2 days or so. What you want to do, because basically I'm taking two videos that I've learned and mashing them into one. So I'm gonna get rid of all this extra color that I don't really need. I guess I'll keep my palettes there so I can easily paint things. And this pretty much will be a pretty fast video. You take your outline, and if you notice, I don't know if stuff's in the way, but if you notice, it has a reference right there on that outline. So basically, the only thing you really want to do is when you make your outline, make a reference of it. I just took the reference off. But make a reference of it, and then just create a layer. Just create another layer, drag it under there, and then you want to run to right here. I'm not really sure what that part of the tool is called, but I should know things. I've been using Procreate for the longest, but yet I do not know. But you go into this tool right here, and then you want to you want to put it on automatic. You see it's automatic freehand rectangle ellipse. Throw it on automatic, and you see right here there's color fill. So click on color fill, and then at this point now you just click where you want things to go. So bam, I changed to that. If I wanted to change the color of the mask, un momento. It's doing things I don't want it to do now. Which, let's see, took away my layer. But that automatic color fill, the color drop didn't want to work for me for some reason, but whatever. But basically, like I said, it'd be pretty fast tutorial. And now you can just color drop like what you're probably used to doing, what I'm used to doing when I was doing artwork. Then you want to switch colors. I guess the best way to do it so I can do it the way I was trying to do it. Take that off, put that back on, drop it in there. So if you're used to doing certain things a certain way, like me, this is way faster than going to here and just dropping it in. Nobody ain't got time for that. Especially when like you got a design like this where it's so many different areas for you to put the colors in. So that's the fastest way to, like, if you need to do a whole bunch of different colors at one time, to do it that way. And the cool thing about the way it's done now, I can drop my background, and then You're just left with all the area. You're just left with all the areas that you colored in, and you don't have to mess with the integrity of your outline. So I hope this was very helpful for somebody else. I wish I had found this video when I updated, well, when my Procreate updated itself, because I have mine on automatic updates. But I was definitely very lost and very frustrated when I thought I had to just keep color dropping everything in myself. But no, there is a way to still do the Recolor tool. I think this way is kind of better, because before with the eye drop tool you kind of had to mess with the threshold. It looks like this kind of get it better. It gets all those areas colored in, and even if it doesn't get it all the way colored in, since you keep your outline above everything, you can easily just go in and color. Easily just go in. I'll give an example and just color. And since I can't see that better, you can easily go in and color, and then like see I'm coloring on the actual black, but you can't tell because it's hiding under the thing. It's hiding under the outline. So if there was like little small areas where the threshold wasn't high enough, or you put the threshold too harsh, and it just colored out the whole thing, you can just go in and clean things up real easy. As long as there's a black outline around there, you won't have to worry about anything. So that is a lazy tutorial. Again, hope this is very helpful for you guys. Helps me out a lot. And I guess like, follow, share. Catch you guys next time.
If there's anything else that you should give tutorials on.
Oh yeah, if there's anything else that you have questions on it about Procreate that I may know, shoot it down in the comment section. If I know the answer, I'll throw the information to you. If enough people ask me, I'll make a video. But peace, love, and happiness, y'all. Deuces.